to tell my story of what you've done for me. Give me courage, Lord, to say how you have set me free. I want to go, Lord, in your power, telling the story of your name. I want to say what you said, do what you did.
Hello, welcome again. This is Nena TV, your channel of hope. My name is Pastor Nathan. Thank you for watching this again. I still believe that today is the day that the Lord has made. Today is the day of being blessed. Today is the day of achieving our dreams. Today is the day of being motivated. In this episode, I want to teach you about your thoughts. How you think, because your life is shaped by your thoughts. You are your thoughts. You are what you feel in your mind. What you think about yourself. What you think about your life. What you think about your future is what you will achieve. Nothing else. Nothing above that. You will not achieve above your thoughts. Your thoughts is the limit of your life. Your thoughts is the limit of your life. What you think. What you think about yourself, that is how you limit yourself. How you think about your life, that is how you limit your life. How you think about your business, that is how you limit your business. How you think about your marriage, your children, that is how you limit them. So if you can change your thoughts today, and I believe you can change, you can decide, you can choose and decide today to change your thoughts. I know your life can be unbelievably transformed. God gave us this choice of our thoughts. If you choose to think good, better things, great things, that is what you achieve. In the book of Proverbs 4:23, the Bible says, be careful how you think. Your life is shaped by your thoughts. Be careful how you think. Your life is shaped by your thoughts. How do you think? What are you thinking now? How have you been thinking today? Because that is what you are. Your thoughts have brought you where you are today. And your thoughts will take you where you'll be tomorrow. So you have to take care of your thoughts today. How you are thinking now. A man is the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. Change your thoughts and you change your world. I want you to change how you think. How you think every day, how you think about yourself, how you think about your life. I want you to change. In the book of Philippians 4, verse 8, the Bible says, fill your minds with those things that are good, that deserve praise, that are true, noble, right, pure, lovely, and honorable. You have to fill your mind with those things that are good, that are lovely, those things that deserve praise. Other people think of failure. Other people think that they can't make it. Other people always think of negative things. When you are going to apply for that job, you are thinking, last time I didn't get that job. I didn't get the other job. I applied, even this one. It seems like I not get it. You have to get rid of those kind of thoughts. You have to think that I'll get this job. Today is the day. You have to believe that I'll get that promotion. I'll get that business. Don't be a negative thinker. You have to see a half full glass, not half empty. Because you are what you think. You are what you see. If you think you can drive that car, you can drive it. If you think you can build that house, you can build it. What you need is to change your thoughts. I always tell people, only the difference between us and those people who achieved are our thoughts. Because if you think we can achieve, we can drive our car. You can drive a car. You can drive it. If you think you can build a house, you can build it. You can live in your house. It is a matter of our thoughts. Fill your mind with those things that are true, that are good, deserve praise. Other people's thoughts, they don't deserve praise. Other people's thoughts, they are not good at all. Because they are negative thinkers. They are pessimists. You have to be an optimistic. Take care of your thoughts. Think positively. Don't always be a negative thinker. That if I start a business, it will fail. I have started that business, it failed. I applied for that job, I didn't make it. Don't look on your looks. Don't focus on your looks. Because our people focus on their looks. Maybe I don't have this look. I don't have this type of clothes. So get out of that thought. Think that you yourself, you are the one who can make it. You are not about your looks. You are not about what you are wearing. No, you are about that. If you can change your thoughts, you can achieve more. You have to think practically. Think practical. You have to add something called action. In the book of James 2 verse 28, the Bible says, faith without action is dead. You have to take action into your life. You have faith. Do you have faith? If you are not taking action, you are doing nothing. That faith is dead. If you think good things are not taking action, Those good things are will not help you. You have to get out of house. You want to go and try that business, get out of that house, go and try. Don't say that you want a large amount of money so that you can have a very big business. You can start with that small. You can start where you are. You have to take action. You want to become a musician, you have to take action, like singing, recording. You have to take action. You want to become a pastor, you have to start preaching, even to trees, even to chairs, even to everything. You have to take action. Take care of your thoughts by what you read, by what you watch, and what you listen. Those are the things that corrupt our mind. When you watch good things, your mind will fill with good things. If you listen to good things, your life will be filled with good things. If you read good things, your life will be your thoughts will be filled with good things. So these are the three things that we feel in our minds. Be careful what you watch, the movies you watch, the kind of music you watch, the kind of books you read. So I want you to change your thoughts today, and I know your life will be unbelievably transformed. So change your thoughts today, and you change your world, and you change everything. Change your thoughts today, how you are thinking. Change that, and you see your life will never be the same again. You see you start achieving. Start thinking of that big business. Start thinking of that good car. Start thinking of that good house. Start thinking of good marriage. Start thinking of good things. And I know your life will never be the same again. So change your thoughts today, and you change your life. My name is Pastor Nathan. I have written a book called Becoming Better of Yourself. That topic of your thoughts is in here. So if you want this book, you can just contact me. My contact numbers are at the end. So take that number, call me, you can SMS me, you can write me an email, you can like my Facebook page, Pastor Nathan, and Becoming Better of Yourself. It is still there. So just contact me for motivation talks. Maybe you have a school, you have seminars, you can just feel free to contact me, and I'll come. I'll speak to those young people, those couples, everyone. So I know God will do good things, and I know people's lives will be changed. So feel free and keep tuning for more and more motivation talks. Bye bye, till next time. Be blessed.